Hello from Abu Dhabi, welcome back to my channel guys. I came in from Paris with Etihad's A380 in business class and it was amazing to fly this aircraft for the first time. You can watch this new review on my channel already. Today I want to show you the Ritz Carlton Abu Dhabi Grand Canal. I stayed only one night in the stunning hotel with Renaissance-inspired architecture with touches of Arabian design. This hotel features 506 luxury rooms and suites, and Venetian village villas, which was during my stay under constructions. The Ritz Carlton has also one of the largest outdoor pools of the city. This hotel is just across from the famous Grand Mosque, the Sheikh Zayed, and the views are breathtaking, especially in the evening with different lights. I arrived late in the evening and after a pleasant welcome at the reception, I went to my room at the 7th floor. First, I will show you my room for the night. This is a deluxe king guest room with private balcony. The mini marble hallway leads you to the bedroom. The room has tones of grey, beige, white and wooden elements. This gives the room a modern and luxurious feeling. The bathroom features lots of marble elements with separate shower, toilet and a bathtub. And nice soft bathroom robe is available as well slippers and a nice hair dryer. Bathroom amenities are from Diptyque Paris, which I really liked. At this time, I was a bit hungry and I ordered room service, which is available 24 hours. I ordered a mixed grilled meat with rice and yogurt dressing. The meal was delicious and tasteful. But now it's time to sleep. I will see you in the morning. time to go now to the airport. I had a pleasant stay at this hotel. Staff are friendly and helpful. They are really want to make the best experience for you during your stay. The hotel facilities are huge. You can stay inside this property without being bored. The quality of the room and the small attention for detail is well known for this hotel brand. Good coffee machine and luxury bedroom amenities makes your stay much more comfortable, as well the bed linen and the soft towels. The Ritz Carlton Abu Dhabi Grand Canal is a true 5-star hotel for you and for your family. Here you can enjoy a true holiday with a great swimming pool, a private beach and lots of restaurants with good food. Thank you very much guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all next time. Thank you. Bye bye.